The Summer Reading Club this year starts on May 23rd, and the theme is Read, Adventure Awaits.
We're on an expedition to learn more about the Summer Reading Club. Do you want to come along?
All you need to do to get started is pick up a reading log from the library. You can color in a spot each time you read for a certain amount of time, attend a library program, or complete a DIY activity. Hey!
Once you fill in your reading log, turn it into the library to pick up your prizes. You'll get coupons for discounts for fun places around town, a free book to keep, and an entry into the raffle for a $100 gift card.
Okay, so you turned in your reading record and collected your prizes. Don't stop there. Keep tracking your reading and you'll get a chance to vote for Columbus Zoo and Aquarium sponsored animals.
This year, you can vote for the Amur tiger, Mexican wolf, red panda, or the southern hairy-nosed wombat.
The more you read, complete DIY activities, or attend library programs, the more votes you get.
And speaking of programs, we've got some fun things planned this summer at the library. We'll have science shows from Science Heroes, animal visits from the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium,
magic shows from Tada Magical, juggling performances by Matt Juergens, and so much more you won't want to miss.
Don't forget, Summer Reading Club starts May 23rd and ends July 28th. Stop into the library or check out our website for more information.
We can't wait to see what adventure the summer holds.